Welcome back, animal explorers. Today we're diving deep into the ocean, splashing through the rivers, and traveling all the way to the icy poles. Get ready to meet some of the most amazing and powerful creatures from water and snow. From squids that shoot ink to polar bears that walk on ice like kings. Let's discover surprising and brand new facts about these animals, things you've never heard before. Seagulls can drink salt water. Their body filters out the salt, like a built-in water purifier. And they drop shells from high up to crack them open, using gravity as a tool. Dolphins call each other by name like whistles. Each one has a special sound. And they sleep with one eye open. Half their brain stays awake to stay safe. That strange head shape, it helps hammerhead sharks see in 360 degrees, even above and below at the same time. And their head works like a metal detector to find fish hidden under sand. Walruses use their long tusks to climb out of icy water like giant teeth ladders. They can also slow their heartbeat to survive freezing cold underwater. Hippos can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes, and they even sleep underwater, popping up to breathe without waking up. And their sweat works like natural sunscreen. It's red and protects their skin. Dolphins have names. Each dolphin makes a special whistle that acts like their name, and their friends call them by it. They can solve puzzles faster than some monkeys, even in the wild. Sharks can hear a fish's heartbeat from far away, even if it's hiding. They've been swimming in the oceans for over 400 million years, way older than dinosaurs. Squids have 3 hearts and blue blood, and they can change color in a blink. Some even glow in the dark to scare enemies. Crocodiles have been around since the time of dinosaurs, and they cry real tears, not from sadness, but to clean their eyes after eating. Seahorses are the only animals where fathers give birth. They also use their tails to hold on to sea plants, like anchors in the water. Some water snakes can stay underwater for 30 minutes without breathing, and they use their tongue to smell in the water, detecting movement nearby. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to soak up the sun's heat, and they can swim over 100 kilometers without stopping. Champions of the cold sea.